At 28 pounds, Albert sure is a handful.
He probably should be closer to 12 pounds.
Melissa Gable says someone dropped him off at Maricopa County Animal Care and Control as a stray. But at some point, he had an owner who neutered him, declawed his front paws, and fed him a lot.
I like to say that his previous owners were killing him with kindness because they probably thought, you know, oh, he loves treats, let's give him a bunch of treats. Oh, he loves to eat, let's give him endless amounts of food. Oh, you know, we're having a snack, let's give him some of our food.
With his green eyes glimmering, the 4-year-old is beautiful, but his size made it tough for him to keep up with his hygiene.
He's so large that he has difficulty reaching to his backside. Under his chin he couldn't get to, so we did shave him down. So he's a little, he's got an interesting haircut right now.
The chief veterinarian at Care and Control has him on a prescription diet. The goal is to get Albert moving and lose about a pound a month, but they have to be careful with his health.
Especially if, as we're trying to get the weight off of him, if he loses weight too quickly, that could put him into liver failure. And so we have to really carefully monitor how much he's eating and make sure that he's, you know, not losing weight too rapidly.
He has 28 pounds worth of cuddles to offer, but his new owner needs to return the love with affection, not food.
He loves to be brushed, he loves to be pet. Shower him with love and attention for a while, and he'll be just as happy with that as he would be with a handful of treats.